How to turn off search in YouTube Kids. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Here, enter the passcode that you have. So now, we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Simply tap on the profile picture that you have. So again, you must enter your password in order to enter the profile section. Now we're in this profile section. Here you can slowly scroll down. So you'll be able to find a section called search. So in order to turn it off, simply tap on it and head on OK. So after you do this, it will restrict different videos too. Now you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.